get your thoughts on the performance of your team this evening.
I said in previous interview, we'd have to be perfect today to get even a point. We weren't perfect, but we were good. We were good in more spots. We blocked the threats from Mount Pleasant, and we forced them into long ball. And second half, we come out and we get the go-ahead goal. Unfortunately, we give up a goal. I mean, in that period. I mean, poor concentration. But so to end this game, I mean, this is the best team in the competition, and we kept our nerves. Just unfortunately, we couldn't get all 3 points today.
All right, coach. In previous interview, we discussed the approach to the game and such forth. From your perspective, do you think that the team carried a specific tactical instruction that you wanted from the team?
It was a master class defending. I mean, we're playing against probably the best team in the Caribbean, and we know that we got to suffer in periods and long periods, and we're willing to suffer today because the end is the result. We give up territorial advantage because we know that in certain areas if we press too high, it can hurt us. So we stick to that plan, and it worked differently. More players and turn over the ball more than enough today. This is one of the first time I said they turn over the ball. I mean, kudos to the guys there. I thought tactically they were disciplined today and they played well.
Let's speak about character of the team. You mentioned you were allowing the quality that Mount Pleasant had. What does it say about the character of the team today? As I said, going up against one of the best teams, the best team practically in the Caribbean, and the team showing that character going up against a Mount Pleasant team, fighting from minute 1 to the 90th. What does it say about the character of the team?
It shows today. It shows today. Rivaldo, his dynamism going forward, but today we saw him defending. Andre Smith out for a very long time and come in and have a good game today. I mean, it was a workman-like performance. I think all facets today of the team, from front to back, goalkeeper to the striker, was good. So you know what I mean. As I said, credit to the guys. I thought they played well.
On a different perspective, how difficult is it in a game of this nature where you're doing a lot of defending and waiting and trying to pick your moments? How difficult is it for you as a coach, giving instruction also for players on the pitch? How difficult is it?
It's more difficult for the opponent or difficult for Waterhouse?
How difficult was it for you?
Okay. We'd have played Mount Pleasant 2 times in the season, and every game is different, and we'd have tweaked some things and we'd have said some things. I said earlier, we know that we're gonna in some areas we're gonna suffer, and that we did today. But being suffer, we capitalized, we get some chance, and unfortunately we couldn't get that go ahead one, and that's part of the game. We have to come again.
Coach, 2 Wiltshire charges after you took the lead. Certainly would have liked to put away at least one of them.
Definitely. I thought one of those chances, I think game would be over, but nevertheless, we're not daunted because I said this is the best team, and we expect at some moment and at some point they're gonna be in control of the game, and even a goal. But we have to come again, and it's something that we can work on. It's a set piece, and we have to better on that. We have to do better on that.
Brian left on the stretcher. Can you give an update on his split?
It's left to desire. I mean, I was wishing him a speedy recovery. His shoulder, I'm not sure if it slipped out or dislocated at this moment, but we in further updates, I'll let you guys know.
Yeah, Coach, speaking about Brian, he's been carrying a lot of the burden this season, but going up against, as you mentioned, one of the best teams in the Caribbean, to have that composure to take the goal. What is it about his presence and his overall character that makes him such a good striker for Waterhouse? Because it's not easy to be sometimes.
He's hungry, and he'll live for these moments, as I can say. First in Premier League, he's like a veteran in the league for over some years. But I mean, sky's the limit for this kid. I mean, just keep work hard, and just apply himself, and good things will come for him.
Yeah, Waterhouse. Mount Pleasant were a bit rusty coming in, obviously not playing no money. Coach Whitmore saying that they needed this 90 minutes to know what they're going to do next week. Obviously, you might not know particularly, but what do you think can be done to ensure that their threat is neutralized come next Sunday?
Score.
Coach, towards back end of the league coming into today's game, we have seen a marked improvement in the output from Waterhouse. What is it that has happened? You want to share with us what has happened that has led to this turnaround?
I can use that analogy. So peas is probably the only fruits or vegetable take 3 to 4 days to grow. So things take time to manifest. So we were tiling all day. As I say, we were having a roller coaster ride. We were putting the puzzles together. We were putting players in areas, trying different ways how we can get better, and we are getting better. As this is like our 9th game in a row, and you know we haven't lost any game, and we hope we continue in this vein. The team is coming together at the right time, and I mean I'm so proud of these guys today.
Coach, you finished 6th in the league and you're playing the defending champions who led in the league. Looking ahead at your 90 minutes, anywhere specifically, tactically or technically, you think you'll get over the hill for this 90 minutes and get yourself into the finals? A big game ahead of you.
As I said, just put away our chances.
Any other questions? Thanks, Coach.
All right. Good night, gentlemen.